A very warm hello to all the listeners. This is Elisha, and you are cordially welcomed to the German language classes. So, as we all know, that German is a very interesting language, and learning a foreign language is always exciting. So, here I'm starting the first tutorial of German language, and so today we'll be learning the German alphabets. As we have 26 letters in English alphabet, but in German alphabet there are 30 letters. Okay. And we'll be learning about those additional letters which sums up to 30. So you all need to remember that in German alphabet we have 30 letters. So the German alphabet includes all the letters that are there in the English language. That is from A to Z, we have all the letters from A to Z. Okay. So A to Z, it means there are 26 letters. Okay. Then we have three umlauts. A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut. The two dots over the letter A is called A umlaut. Then two dots over the letter O is called O umlaut. And then two dots over the letter U is called U umlaut. So this is the first umlaut in German alphabet. This is the second umlaut and this is the third umlaut. And the work of these two dots is just to change the pronunciation and nothing else. Okay. So here are 26 letters and this is 3 more letters. It sums up to 29 and this one is the 30th, 30th letter. This is called ligature. Just like we have a beta sign in mathematics like this. So this is called ligature. So we have A to Z, 26 letters, then 3 umlauts, A umlaut, O umlaut, and U umlaut. And then we have one ligature, which looks like this. Okay. So 26 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 30 letters. So we have these 30 letters in German alphabet. Okay. Now let's move further. So here we'll be looking upon the German letters. Though there are 26 letters which are same in German and in English. German and in English, the 26 letters are same, but their pronunciation differs a lot. So one by one, we'll be looking upon the pronunciation, the sound of a particular letter from A to the ligature. Okay. So A is said as, so all the letters at the left side of the equal to sign are in English, and at the right hand side it's their sound. Okay, in German. So A is A. A is A. Then B is B. The left hand side is the English sound and the right hand side is the German sound. Okay. So A is A, B is Be, then C is said as say. Then D is said as De, then E is said as A. Okay, please remember that A and A looks similar. The A is called A and E is called A. Okay, then comes F. F has the sound of F, which is same in English and the same is in German. Okay. Now, G is J. G is J. Then H is Ha. Ha. H is Ha. Then I is E. E. Okay. Then J has the sound of Y. Okay. Ya. 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 Okay. Then K has the sound of Ka. Then L has the sound of L, which is same. M has the sound of M, which is same. N has the sound of N, which is also same. O has the sound of O. O. Then P has the sound of P. So G is J. J, Ha, E, Ya, Ka, L, M, N, O, P. Okay. So here we can see the two of the letters which have a very different sound. G has the sound of J. Okay, just like we say J in English. And J has the sound of Y. Okay. Now, Q has the sound of U. R has the sound of air. S is same, that is in English too, S. Then T has the sound of te. U has the sound of oo. Okay, oo. Oo. Okay. Then V has the sound of fa. Fa. It means V has the sound of F. Okay. And J has the sound of Y. Okay. G has the sound of J. So these are the three letters which are gonna be very different. Okay. Then W has a sound of way. W has a sound of way. Which way? And it can be taken as similar to V. Okay, this letter in English. So W has a sound of way. Then X has a sound of X, X. Then Y, it is written upsilon. Okay. This letter is called upsilon in German. Y. It's not Y in German, but it's called upsilon. Okay. Then Z has a sound of Z. Okay. So what happens in German? Z at most of the cases has the sound of S. And S at most of the cases has sound of Z. Okay, so this happens in German. I hope that it's clear. V has the sound of F, J has the sound of Y, G has the sound of J. Okay. Now let's move ahead. Now let's see the sound or the pronunciation of umlauts. We have three umlauts in German: umlaut A, umlaut O, and umlaut U. So A and two dots over it is called umlaut A. O and 2 dots over it is called umlaut O, and U and 2 dots over U is called umlaut U. Okay. So I have written these letters in capital letter. The same happens in the small letters too. It means umlaut A can be written like this also. Umlaut O can be written like this also. And U is written like this also. Okay. So umlaut A has the pronunciation of A, A, A. Okay, whereas A has the pronunciation of A. This is A and this is A. A, A. So you can just figure out the difference between. Okay. Then the simple O has a pronunciation of O, O. Okay. But O umlaut has a pronunciation of oil, just like in oil. We say oil, oil. So this pronunciation is that of O umlaut, oil. O umlaut has the pronunciation of oil. Okay, so this is O, this is oil. Then we have U. U has the pronunciation. The simple U has the pronunciation of U, U. Whereas U umlaut has the pronunciation of U, U, U. This is U, this is U, U. Okay. I hope you are clear about the pronunciation of umlaut. Umlaut A, umlaut O, Oi, umlaut U, U. Okay. Now let's move towards the last letter of German alphabet, which is ligature. The pronunciation of this ligature is that of S in C. Just like we say C, C. So the pronunciation of S in C is the pronunciation of ligature. And sometimes ligature is also pronounced as double S. Ligature has the sound of double S also. Okay, and it depends from situation to situation. Just like in English, when we have a word called chemistry, it starts with CH, but that particular pronunciation is that of ka. Okay. But in another word like chair, it also begins with CH, but the pronunciation of that CH is that of cha, ka and cha. Chemistry, ka, and chair, cha. So same like that, it happens in all the languages, whether it's German, French, English, Russian, that the sound of the letter gets changed according to the words, according to the situations. Okay, I hope that this very part is clear to you all. So thank you for watching this video. This is Elisha. Please, if you are watching this video and you are learning something new, please take a time of 1 minute to appreciate us. Please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.